Hey there, today we're going to look at how to export from Trello to Excel or CSV, including checklists and advanced checklists. So let's get started. First, open Trello and go to the board you want to export. Over here, click on the Power Ups button. Then, in the Power Ups menu, click Add Power Ups. After that, search for Board Export in the search bar. Then click Add on the board export tool and install it. Once added, go back to your board and click the board export button. After that, click the export option from the dropdown. Then choose whether to export all lists or specific ones. Make sure to check include archived cards if needed. Then select CSV as your export format. After that, choose the fields you want to include in your export. Finally, click export to download your data. And that's it. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.